Hello everybody, today we're going to unbox this Funko Pop Pokemon Charizard. So I hope you enjoy and let's get started. Here's the back. Yeah, I got this for my birthday as a friend gift because my friend bought me this. I'm sorry for the video camera. Just open this. Oh, come on. No. Is it this side? Oh, look, it's this side. I'm sorry. If I open it. Okay. Sorry from the video camera. Oh no. What the heck? Oh. So, here it is. I like this Pokemon because it's actually my favorite Pokemon, if you didn't know that. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Bye.